All right, so real quick, I'm actually filming this after I've watched the entire movie. I originally was going to do a shortened version for YouTube, but I decided to change it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put out a couple of different videos, but they're basically just going to be my reactions to the songs, because not every single song, they didn't have, there's a couple songs that weren't like full songs, but there were a few that were. So we're going to go through those. So I don't know. I'm going to use this for each one of the videos. I think there'll probably be like 3 or 4 of them. So your song is whatever's in the title. Maybe I'll put it up on the screen right now. And that's the one that you're going to see here now. So if you are seeing it and you want to watch the full movie reaction, head over to my Patreon. It's linked right down below. I watched the entire movie. Spoiler alert, I really liked it. And yeah, you can go watch with me. So with that being said, guys, enjoy. Oh.
Nothing but the truth now. Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from. Patterns I'm ashamed of. Things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it. I try to fight it. My head was twisted. My heart divided. My lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side.
Ooh, this is another good one, dude.
I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should.
Let's go. The truth will set you free.
Show me what's underneath. I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write. This is what it sounds like.
Start the song.
We're shattering the silence. We're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone. We listen to the demons. We let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards. So we were liars. So we're not heroes. We're still survivors.
Dude, this song's legit. Yes, they get back together. Let's go. I'm telling you, the truth will set you free, dude. Oh, I love this song. Oh my gosh. It's so catchy. It's strong, powerful. Hell yeah, dude. Woo!
You're just my type. Oh well.
No more. This is what it sounds like. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back.
Dude, let's go. Oh my gosh, dude. This song. Holy crap. Wow. Freaking wow, dude. Alright, hold on, I gotta pause real quick. Dude, that was... that song is so good. Holy crap, like the epic build-up. That's the best song. That's the best song of the movie. Easy. Easy. Easy peasy. Holy crap. God, I don't even know. I have just like a surge of energy right now from that, of just like overwhelmingly positive, you know. And I love the message in it. I love the positivity of being truthful and honest with each other. And honestly, it's something I've struggled with in my own life plenty, where shame was a big thing growing up, and it sucked. And it wasn't until I was like in my 20s when, you know, I have a couple of close friends who I trust very well, and I broke down. I hit my demon point, if you would, and I needed to share. I needed to be honest and tell them what was going on, you know, things that they had no idea about. And it it's incredible. It's incredible how like groundbreaking of a moment it can be in your life to, you know, get all that off, not hold it back anymore. And honestly too, I didn't get the reaction I expected. I thought there's no way these guys are gonna love me anymore, they're gonna care about me anymore. And I couldn't have been further from the truth in those thoughts, because like my guys immediately apologized to me that I had to go through what I've been through for so long by myself, and how grateful they were that I would share with them. You know, and it's not something that, you know, you need to blast out to the world. Like, I'm not going to tell you guys what's been going on in my life, but you need to find people that you can build that kind of trust with that kind of relationship with, that you can be open and honest. And like, honestly, I see so many people out there with such awesome friends, but it's like, me and my buddies, we joke around that we're the best friends in the world. And I believe that. I do. And it's because of the openness and honesty that we can have with each other. That's really awesome. So, I mean, they probably won't see this, but I fucking love them so much, and I wouldn't be here without them. So, for those of you out there struggling with something, you know, we all have our demons. You need to talk. You need to talk. Be honest. Be honest with yourself. Be honest with the people around you. Find those trusted individuals. They're there. They're out there. I promise. You just don't know it yet. Whew, I didn't expect I was going to be crying. Excuse me. That's just such a beautiful meaning. I love it. That song is amazing. 10 out of 10. Whew. All right, we're going to keep going.